So, I finally am able to afford this. Finally got the best lockpick. Oh, and a extra slot. So let's focus on doing what the thieving merchant tells us to do. Or I can just steal from here first. You know me, you love me before. What are they gonna do anyways? Can you have one of those things except for rainbow swirls? Why rainbow swirls? Whatever we used to. Oh, what's this vote for? Oh, coming soon. Okay, what is it gonna be? The merchant. He wants. Get some more of those rabbits, so I'll go over here with my golden lockpick and collect some epic artifacts. As you can see, it gets much faster when you have like the better lockpick, which makes a ton of sense. The better lockpick, the best thing you can do is get stuff from this one. I think it has a rare chance of giving you to 10,000 times over just any of the eggs, but I think it has a higher chance. Just you go through it much slower and there's a higher chance to get stunned. Yeah, much higher chance to get stunned. I don't really want to protect this area. I guess you could say that I really want to do that. After all. Jeez. Okay, the only thing I've gotten is mythical items. What's the purpose behind these? They don't do anything. I need the better lockpick. On how I get the better lockpick, I have no clue. It's probably from these thieving areas, from these thieving chests, etc. No really rare chance of getting it, so I need these guys. Well, let's start grinding. Because why not? No, I don't. Oh yeah. What's on these all of these? I guess I can't use all. Lucky or something like that. I just need 80 of these guys. Just on some epic rounds. Lasting for 6 minutes, so I'm gonna do that quickly. See, you can't like use better go faster, which you should be able to do, but you can't for some reason. I don't know why. You just can't you can't use a golden lock. It's against this. It is against the rules. You do it, you break the rules. What can I say, man? Should I have to pay for all these boost skins? No. Am I done? Yeah. Epic artifacts are so hard to find. Oh, there we go. Finally, now I can go over here. I have a gold and buy that, which I still have 4 left. I think it would be better if I just exotic one. I can either use exotic ones, exotic artifacts. How do I get that? How do I get exotic artifacts? I guess I just have a rare chance of profiting them. Some of those are pretty rare. 80 or 80. Which, I don't know why I do that, other than the fact that... Yeah, I do have a golden lock pick. One second. Golden lock pick. Oh dear. Bruh. You know, I think I'll just get 600, no, I need exotic ones. Well, I think I'll just get 160 for that. That's totally worth it. Yeah, I am so excited. Yeah. I even have all the upgrades, too. I mean, oh, wait. We'll just do any better security. It's been a while since I feel like it would cost less, but like less, not less. Jeez. Cost less. Wrong from Destiny, and I could wrong from the other one, and still gives me legendary artifacts. It's because this one has better luck. At least that's what I tell myself. And I got 252, 250 prison bunnies, which I got 1,500 gold for one. Maybe. Also, maybe like 30 of an egg and got all huges from it. And probably have to be extremely lucky, like lucky enough to get like the Titanic cat. But I think the Titanic cat that's like huges. Just being honest. Mainly because I love cats and it's also the rarest thing in the game. I still have 155 heartbreak eggs. Should I hatch them all, or should I sell them? Oh, I have enough legendary coins now. There you go. Legendary chest. Oh, I could go. I don't know. And I got another legendary chest, so let me grind some more. Some more legendary chests. So if you don't know, thieving works. Steal stuff, get artifacts, which you can then sell to the guy who lives in the shadows, and then you rob some more so you can get more artifacts and buy some more from that guy. Makes sense? Okay, good. Now you're all up. Now that you're all catched up, we just start rolling, I guess. Quite a few of these thieving eggs. Like I'm not hatching them, just is a shame. Anyway, it's mostly normally all axle models. Oh shoot, sorry, I accidentally did that. Monkey? Another present monkey? No, why? I'm just confused. Oh shit, no, I didn't depress. This opening one at a time is a pain. And of course I got more than 5 chicken axolotl because the luck on this thing sucks. I'm bound to never get it. No, this one only costs... The other one only costs like 1, maybe 800 for it. Let me go to the trading server and see if I can get the 100 times one. Maybe even the 10,000 times one. Because my luck sucked so far, so if I can just get it up, that would be great. But considering I got one myself, I'm assuming it's not going to be that easy. Or it's just going to be way too expensive for me. So let's... Oh god, they added... I don't know what they are going to add another one. Very clearly it's coming next... Oh! Update. Which is pretty cool. Which is complete, and I didn't even check the wrap value on it. Great! See if it's a bad deal or a good deal. If it's a bad deal, I'm gonna have to server hop. It's a bad deal. Oh, it's a bad deal, but like... Oh, it's definitely a bad deal. But I can afford it. Oh, 90k for 15 of these. Now let's open these 15 guys. 100 times luck. Let's see what we get. And I got a prison dog. It's the best prison thing I've gotten, I'm pretty sure. Well, actually, no. You get a 1 in 100k from one of these guys. It was only fun to 10 times though. Oh, I didn't mean to press that. Let's try it. Okay. Oh look, it's a prisoner cat. You already got it. Or you got the new huge. Of which I probably won't be getting since my luck sucks so much. Look, I never call myself lucky. I call myself lucky is like, I don't know, according to Mickey Mouse. I don't know. Yeah, that's the one I got, Corgi. Yeah. Now, let's see how much 10,000. So, it's only 1,000 times. Or can you not suffer it? Heck. There it is. 1,000 times thieving egg. Probably costs like 50k. If we're being generous here. Which means I can only probably get like 2 of them. But, oh geez, that's expensive. Yeah.